Hey guys, I'm inside a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit. This is how the inside looks. Got the American walnut wood on the door panel. Nice leather stitching. I'm gonna be telling you a little bit about the features and what this vehicle is equipped with. Something cool is it has fam cam. So if you have kids on the second and third row, you can monitor your kids and see what they're doing. If you have a newborn, you can see is the baby asleep, is there anything over the baby's face. Or if you got kids that are always bad, you can watch them closely. This is a pretty cool feature that everybody likes. Hey Tim, I see you back there moving, man. He's waving now. All right, I'm excited at it. You also have 360 view camera where you can see over top of the vehicle, around the vehicle, in the back of the vehicle, in the front of the vehicle. If you're unsure how close you are to an object or what's in front of you, it do provide you with that camera view. A lot of cool features. Let's see what else you have. All right, and this is your mirror. A lot of the time when you looking in your mirror and you got a SUV full of, family members, kids and things, it's hard to see out the back window. So what this vehicle comes equipped with is where you can, see the back rear of your vehicle from the mirror. So you don't have to look back anymore and tell your kids to, get down or get their head out the way. You just can flip this switch right here up, and you'll be able to see what's behind you. Yep. There you go. Yep. You can brighten it up if you got trouble seeing, and you want to be a little brighter, or you can move it to the left or the right. To see, up and down to see, how far or how close the object is to you. This vehicle comes with